Welcome sa Gaijin Japan Lifestyle and Travel Vlog.
Congratulations at nanonood ka na naman ng aking video!
At ayun na nga, nandito kami sa Shibuya para puntahan ang Second Street. Kami na ang pumunta para hindi na masayang ang oras nyo. Kami na ang nagsayang ng oras namin para sa inyo. Nagmamadali na nga ako i-upload tong video na to para mabura sa cellphone ko. Punta tayo dun sa... Ito na nga, para matapos na. Kahit talaga naman nung gigigil ako eh. Oh, siya hindi ko na patatagin pa. Divided by 2 presyo para may idea kayo sa peso!
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Nalabas na kasi Tita Gaijin dahil nga wala rin sila masyadong magandang mga items doon. At pinilian na lang ni Tita Gaijin. Lipat naman tayo sa iba. Yeah.
Wow, chocolate house, oh, yummy.
At eto nga, may nadaanan kaming candy store.
Si Mami yung dito pala. Yung mga akim kukunin ko.
Team, ano ba yan?
Ano to? Hindi na ilalagay, tapos bibigay sa counter.
Kakahalo lang siya?
Pwede ihalo. Grabe kami dito. What the? Ate, really, you can buy that anywhere.
Maman, et les boules? Et les boules, maman? Hein?
Nakarami yan si
3,000 yen yun na candy.
3,000 yen.
Okay. Ba't nagre-report ka pa sa akin?
Wala lang, just
Sinisingil mo ba ako?
No, I'm just letting you know for the candy.
Okay.
Let's go, ate.
Nililinaw ko lang. Thank you.
Ito te.
Thank you, te. Sabi
Nililinaw ko lang, baka mamaya sinisingil ako ni ate.
mountain na.
Yeah, it is.
Parang ano siya? Schoolgirl?
Yung ano, yung basta schoolgirl na uniform na pangtaas na
Yun na, astronaut. Oh,
Na, tapos hinalo lang ng ano?
Yun ano, parang spacey yung ano, itsura.
Maganda siya.
Yeah, maganda. Cute naman. Yun
Bagay
ano.
sa inyo natin.
Ano, heart flutter. ano,
malaki
galactic,
siya, eh.
galactic cuteness.
Tama lang kaya at malaki naman si ate eh.
Yeah, malaki naman ito. Yung sa suit ko. Wait, let me try. Try ko ha.
Sige po.
Tignan mo ano itsura.
Si Bok ni. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you on my next video. Mata ne!